This brand new laser cleaning head is designed specifically for 300 watts and below. With excellent compatibility, its design is even more refined, achieving a smaller volume and lighter weight, weighing approximately 1.2 kilograms, greatly enhancing equipment integration and operational convenience. In terms of safety technology, the laser emission distance can be set, whether too close, too far, or moving slowly away from the focal distance. The laser will automatically shut off when exceeding the focal distance. The brand new mainboard module significantly improves system integration, reduces complexity, and further lowers the failure rate. In terms of cleaning functionality, we offer diversified cleaning modes, with up to 13 built-in scanning modes and 6 major common process libraries preloaded, covering the vast majority of typical cleaning scenarios. You can quickly select according to actual working conditions, achieving out-of-box usability, significantly improving work efficiency. Free mode allows adjustment of X and Y axis parameters to achieve a variety of cleaning patterns. Spiral mode can be adjusted by adjusting the pole number, achieving a variety of cleaning patterns. The user experience has been fully upgraded. The intuitive multi-language interface currently supports 15 languages, and can be customized according to customer requirements to add other country language versions, helping to expand global market reach. The interface displays key data in real time, such as distance measurement and temperature. All parameter adjustments, such as power, frequency, pulse width, etc., support intuitive click operations, making it efficient and easy to use. Intelligent monitoring ensures stability. The cleaning head has the ability to directly monitor the laser operating status and alarm information, helping you keep track of equipment health in real time, making it easy to quickly troubleshoot issues, ensuring continuous and reliable cleaning operations.